Tdboy is a Game Boy emulator for Touchdesigner. Open the folder available on my Touchdesigner page. Then, go to Tdboy, Python files. Copy the 6 folders. Look for your application Touchdesigner. Right-click, Package Content. Look for a folder called Site Packages. Pass the 6 folders here. Open the Tdboy TO. Under the Containers Parameter page, go to Setting. Drag and drop the Tdboy folder in the empty box. Right-click on the container, select View. At the top you can select the game you have downloaded and placed inside the Games folder. Turn the console on. All the Game Boy keys have been mapped to the keyboard under the Input section. You can adjust the speed of the game by increasing the number of FPS of your project. To save, press the key S. To load a saved game, select at the top the saved file and click on the key Z. You can select another game by changing the file at the top and restarting the console. Feel free to change the key's inputs to make it react to sound or gestures. For example, I used Blankensmith's plugin to control the game with my body movements. A top is available next to the console if you prefer to play full screen. Let me know if you would like other consoles emulator.